Hey guys, it's Michael from My Account Beans. The purpose of this playlist is to help you, the small business owner, do your own bookkeeping in Xero. If you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, the first step is you want to click on the drop down arrow here, click on settings, go across to payment services, then you want to navigate across to add new payment service. And now you've got three options here. You've got digital wallet, which is essentially just Stripe, so that's for credit card payments. Direct debit, which is a GoCardless product. So that's if you want to send an invoice from Xero, and GoCardless will automatically charge your clients on the due date, once of course they've set up their profile. And PayPal, which is obviously another payment service provider, which is often really useful if you want to get credit card payments and other online payments. And a lot of people feel very comfortable with PayPal, so that's also a really good option to have. So they're your three primary payment service providers. So what you want to do is you want to click on the box down here to finalize the setup. And once you've gone through the steps of setting up each of these, that's step one done. Now you don't have to have all three, you can just select the one you want. Probably the most common is Stripe, and I think by far that's one of the best payment services. And most businesses should use Stripe in my opinion. The one advantage of Stripe, I find personally, is that you can charge the credit card surcharge on top of your invoice so you're not out of pocket. Whereas direct debit from GoCardless will actually cost you a fee, and so will PayPal. Unfortunately, you won't be able to on-charge that fee. So if you want to avoid the loss of revenue from the surcharges, I would say stick with Stripe. Keep it simple. So that's the first step. You've set up the payment services. Second step, click up here on invoice settings. Then you want to click over here to invoice options, edit. Now see these drop down boxes here. When you've set up the service in the first step, this will then pop up with Stripe. So under credit card, you'll select Stripe. Under PayPal, you'll select PayPal. So in this demo, they've got two different PayPal accounts. And for bank services, that's GoCardless. So if you set up all three, you would map these out accordingly to which type they are. And then once that's done, you would click Save. Now you have set up your payment services and you've applied them to your branding theme. You're now ready to start invoicing. Just one important thing to note that's not explained often, these are called standard or invoice themes in Xero, both of these ones here. Whereas this down here is called a custom invoice theme. Now, you don't really want to use a custom invoice theme if you want seamless payment integration, because the Pay Now feature is only available on these standard Xero layouts or themes. So if you're going to set up a custom invoice, just be mindful that it'll limit you with your facilities in relation to the Pay Now button. So if you've got a simple business, I would say stick to the standard branding theme and utilize the Pay Now button for taking payments. So guys, hope that was helpful, and we look forward to our next video together. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this playlist. If your business is growing and you're finding it's too difficult to do your own bookkeeping, it's time to call an accountant. We'll leave our website and the link in the description below, and we'll have a chat and see if we can help you out.